Hi everyone, welcome back. I am off for a Galentine celebration with some girlfriends, and we're gonna have some Japanese food for lunch, followed by a floral arrangement class at Bestie's, which is one of my favorite floral shops next to Botanist. And I'm so excited. I've never done a floral class before, so I'm really excited to do it with some of my girlfriends. So I will see you there. Hey guys, I am back home from the floral arrangement class. It was like the perfect Valentine's Day thing to do this Sunday. We did 2 bouquets. This is my Valentine's Day themed one. And then also did a more muted dried floral. There's a little tag for it for the both of us. And I also ended up stopping by Milk ice cream because they have a tofu pudding flavor and I really wanted to get it. It's very gingery, so if you like that gingery tofu pudding, I highly recommend it. I got a pint of it, so I might have some tonight. Anyways, that is it for today. I'm just gonna potato for the rest of the day, and I will see you the next time that I pick up the camera. Morning. I just finished getting ready and it is still extremely cold in Calgary. Super exciting. I am celebrating my best friend's birthday today. Well, her birthday was earlier this week, but we're doing a full-on celebration for her today. And I have a few errands to run. I have to go pick up the birthday cake and pick up a few friends and then go to another bakery to get another cake. I don't know if it's still a surprise for her or not. But if it is a surprise, then we're gonna show up at her house, bombard her basically, and then later we have a perfume making class and dinner plans. So it's gonna be a very eventful day. Can't wait to celebrate her. My pancake batter is all set to go, so I am gonna make some pancakes for breakfast. Okay, I really don't know why, but I was craving pancakes and I just made myself one because I don't normally eat breakfast and it's still quite early right now. I think the one pancake is gonna satisfy my craving. currently getting ready. I have some errands to run. The weather has been so bad lately. Like, I haven't gone to the gym at all in like a week and a half just because roads are a little bit sketchy. And yeah, I don't know, I just don't want to risk it. So been a full-on potato, just working and chilling at home, but that's okay. I feel like sometimes it's nice to have a little bit of a break from the gym. I was going to the gym quite a lot prior. I'm gonna be okay with this extended break. Really wanted to say thank you for all the kind messages on my Q&A when I was opening up about my skin struggles and kind of like the mental toll that it had on me end of last year and even this year. It's just one of those things where I think a lot of people don't realize how your skin or any skin issues can really affect someone's confidence level. It was night and day for me. I feel like I'm generally a pretty confident person, but like
I was definitely going through it.
I have like a few problem areas right now. You can't see because I already have foundation on. But you know, I think like the worst of it is over. Honestly, the power of blush is just, love it. Today I am using 061 Poppy Coral. I absolutely love these blushes. And then obviously I'm gonna use my Benefit Dandelion highlighter. For all the people who hate the dewy look, look away, because there is a hair on my face. Because I like the ultimate glow. It kind of amazes me sometimes that it only takes me like 15 minutes to actually do the makeup. My skincare takes a lot longer. All right. And then I am going to set my face and put on a lippy. This is Rare Beauty in Wonder. I primarily only use those lippies. One more spray for good measure. Now I'm gonna touch up my hair. Okay. Okay. Anyways, I am done getting ready. Good morning. I'm gonna have coffee. I think I've talked about this before. I don't drink a lot of coffee just because I'm very caffeine sensitive. But on my days off, sometimes I will indulge in some coffee, and today is kind of the day for that. Since I'm running errands, I'll most likely be pretty tired. So it is coffee time. It is so cold. Like, I hate driving when it's like super slippery out, but I have no choice. I gotta do it today. So wish me luck.
So dreamy.
Okay, let's go.
Yucky. Super. Good boy. Good boy.
Savory actually had fish sauce, and I also got some tomatoes because I want to make this Asian tomato egg rice, which is one of my favorite childhood meals. So all right, it is dinner time. I'm starving. I have my washed tomatoes, chop up some garlic.